One pot recipes are a must try because they're very simple and easy to prepare. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some simple pasta cooked together with some ground meat or minced meat. So I have a couple of ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box in the right quantity. So to get started, I'm going to place my cast iron pan over medium-high flame. Next, I'm going to add in some cooking oil. When it comes to minced meat, I love the meat on the lean side. So it has a little bit of fat, but most of the meat is lean. I'm going to start off by searing my ground meat or minced meat. I'm going to add in the pan. You're going to cook the meat for around 2 to 4 minutes while using a spatula to break down the meat. This is going to make the minced meat to cook evenly. This is how my meat is looking. So I'm going to push the meat on one side, just like that. Add in a little bit more cooking oil. Add in 1 medium onion and garlic. Cook the onions and garlic for around 30 seconds. Next, you're going to mix together with the minced beef and cook for another 30 seconds to make the cooking time for the onions 1 minute. After 1 minute, the garlic is going to be very fragrant and the onions are going to be soft. So next, I'm going to add in some carrots. Add in some spices. I have some paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and chili flakes. The chili flakes are optional. And instead of adding salt, I'm going to add in 1 beef seasoning cube. Crush in the pan. Mix everything together. Add in some canned tomatoes. That is 1 cup of canned tomatoes. Stir the tomatoes into the minced meat, and this is going to also deglaze the cast iron pan. Cook the tomatoes for 1 minute, and while the tomatoes are cooking, I'm also going to add in a pinch of sugar to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes. And also I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to fully season my pasta. Stir in. Add in my pasta. Stir into the delicious minced meat sauce. Then I'm going to add in 2 cups water. You can also add beef stock if you have some. Over here I have some fresh oregano and thyme, so I'm going to pluck out the oregano leaves from the stalk, just like that. Using a kitchen scissors, I'm going to chop in the oregano leaves in the pan. Next, I'm going to add in some thyme leaves. So I'm going to hold the ends and pull the leaves just like that. And the fresh herbs are going to add so much flavor to our pasta. After stirring in the herbs, you're going to cook for around 9 to 11 minutes. Or you can check the back of your pasta packaging paper for the right time to cook your pasta. I love one pot recipes because it's easy and simple to cook, and also you don't have a lot of utensils to wash. For example, I've used only my cast iron to cook my lunch, which is for 2. Check on my pasta, give the pasta a stir. This is coming along nicely, and the aroma in the kitchen is just amazing. After fully cooking my pasta, the pasta is very tender and the sauce has also reduced to a thick and delicious sauce. Just look at that, very delicious. So this is a recipe worth trying, and also the best thing about this recipe is that you can also meal plan and keep in the fridge, maybe pick later and microwave, or just heat your pasta on the stove top and enjoy.